which is 28, comma, and finally enter your population standard deviation value, which is 2. Close it off with the parenthesis and hit enter. You should get 0.6246, and this will be the answer to what is the probability that x is between 27 and 31 when mu equals 28 and population standard deviation equals 2. Okay, so now the second part of this problem is we have to draw the curve and label it with the corresponding values. So I'm using the online applet that we're using, and enter the mu value, which is 28, enter sigma, which is the population standard deviation value, which is 2, x1, which is 27, and now x2, which is 31. Click on calculate, and this draws us the graph, and the blue shaded area of the graph is the percentage that will give us the answer to our question, which is also on the bottom right here, which coincides with the answer we got using the calculator, 0.6246. Alright, so that was part A. So now we're about to do part B, which wants to know what is the x value at the 90th percentile when mu equals 200 and the standard deviation equals 20. So we're going to be using the graphing calculator then, except this time we want to find out what the x value is instead of finding the probability that a number will occur. So here goes. Alright, so this part's a little different this time, and we want to find the 90th percentile when mu equals 200 and the population standard deviation equals 20. So the first thing we need to do is go to second VARS again. Now instead of going down once, you want to hit down twice to inverse normal. Hit enter. Now enter the x value you want, and because it's a percent, you have to enter 0.9, comma, enter your mu value, which is 200, comma, and enter 20, which is the population standard deviation. Close it with a parenthesis, hit enter, and you should get 225.6310, which means to be in the top 90th percent when mu equals 200 and the population standard deviation equals 20, you need to be at or above this number. Alright, so the last part of this problem is to do the standard deviation graph. So first we have to draw a bell curve, and then label it with your mu values and everything. So the mean is going to be at 200. It should look like this so far. Mean is at 200. And now the x percentile we want is the 90th percentile, so that's going to be more towards the end of the graph. So just draw a line and label it x equals 90%. Like so. And now that we know our x value, we calculated that x equals 225.6. So above the line, just write x equals 225.6, and that's going to be your answer. And this means that to be at the 90th percentile for this problem, you need to be at 225.6 or higher when mu equals 200 and the standard deviation equals 20. So finally, the last of your graph is going to look like this. And that's basically it. Well guys, that's basically it for this part. That was problem 6, part A and B, and section 2, part 3 of the homework. Hopefully I was able to help you out a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you, and I'll see you in class. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Don't stop the beat. I can't control my feet. People in the street. Come on.